Alright, so it's 2026 and the Apple Vision Pro is still the most talked about piece of spatial computing kit out there. But is it the real deal, or just a super expensive flex? Let's start with what's actually impressive. The new M5 chip is a beast. Everything feels instant, and that 120Hz refresh rate, it pretty much kills motion blur dead. You put this thing on, and the world just looks smoother. If you love movies, nothing beats the Vision Pro. Seriously, it's like your own IMAX theater strapped to your face. Massive virtual screen, wild contrast, and HDR that makes Avengers look even more epic. And if you're into productivity, pairing it with your Mac turns your desk into a sci-fi workspace. Picture a giant 4K monitor just floating in your room. Vision OS 26 is finally catching up too, with spatial persistent widgets and AI that converts your old 2D photos into immersive 3D moments. Okay, but here's where the hype train hits the brakes. That price? $3,190. For context, that's about 7 times what you'd pay for a Meta Quest 3, and for most folks, Meta's headset is honestly better for gaming and just hanging out in VR. Comfort is still a letdown. Apple gave us a new head strap, but the Vision Pro is actually heavier now. 5 more ounces, and trust me, your neck will notice if you try to binge a couple movies. Then there's the app gap. 2 years in, and the App Store still feels thin. There are a few cool demos, but nothing that makes you say, I need this in my life. And yes, the battery is still tethered and barely lasts the length of a movie. So, final call. The Vision Pro is wild tech for early adopters and film nerds with deep pockets. But if you're hoping for a laptop replacement or the best gaming rig, I'd say hold off. For most people, it's just not worth the price in 2026.